You drop onto the island just as the battle bus fades into the horizon. Your heart pounds, you hear footsteps nearby. But wait, there's a shadow gliding smoothly above you. How did they get there so fast? This isn't just luck, it's mastery of the secret travel methods hidden in Fortnite's island. Stick around and you'll never move like a noob again. Before you jump in a vehicle or zip through a rift, you've got to own the basics: walking, running, climbing. Here, that's where many players waste precious seconds and get caught in the storm. Take the story of Jason, a skilled player who uses the dense forest near Loot Lake. Instead of running in the open, he nimbly tiptoes behind bushes and rocks, avoiding enemy sightlines. Once, this clever use of terrain let him ambush two opponents who thought they had him outgunned. Think of movement like water flowing around rocks. If you move predictably like a river slammed against a dam, you break and lose momentum. But if you flow, jumping, sliding, zigzagging, you become unpredictable. That's how experts slip past enemies almost unseen, like shadows on the island. The biggest surprise? Mastering walk versus run isn't just about speed, it's about control. Players who rush around often trigger fights early and lose. But those who balance fast movement with silent steps often snag higher positions, survive longer, and rack up more wins. Vehicles aren't just transport. They're mobile weapons and shields. But newbie players make critical mistakes that lose them all the momentum they worked so hard to gain. Jason discovered that the all-terrain cart has a boost technique rarely used, rocking back and forth before hitting turbo. This little-known hack triples acceleration off the start, letting him outrun storms and rivals alike. In one match, he escaped a 20-second countdown storm completely on foot for the first time, thanks to this trick. Planes aren't just about flying, they're about vision and control. The book explains how to use the plane's vantage to scout for enemies before landing. Imagine sitting in a sniper tower that moves. This is how you find hot spots to dominate early fights and control key choke points from above. Ziplines are often overlooked or treated like last resorts, but Jason shows how they're secret attack routes. If you master timing your zipline descent, you can land smack in the middle of a fight with complete surprise. It's like dropping into the middle of a poker game and winning the pot instantly. When the storm's closing in, movement means survival. Rifts and storm mechanics turn into your secret allies if you know the real rules behind the chaos. Jason's epiphany came when he used rifts not just to escape, but to attack. In a match near the Lonely Lodge, he dropped through a rift over an enemy base moments after the storm moved in. The sudden arrival gave him the element of surprise and clinched his victory royale in an unexpected way. The storm's eye shrinks slowly, but players who understand the pattern move early, avoiding last-minute scrambles. Think of it as a dance. Knowing when and where to step lets you control the final circle. Jason calls this the calm in the chaos, where patience becomes the deadliest weapon. Using storm pressure means pushing enemies into bad zones. Instead of fighting directly, Jason learned to herd opponents toward the storm's edge, forcing mistakes and easy eliminations. It's like playing chess with the environment as your queen. Remember when you dropped in, hearing footsteps and spotting that mysterious shadow soaring over the island? Now you know exactly how they pulled it off, mastering movement, vehicles, and storm tactics that turn the tide. Next match, try rocking that all-terrain cart before boost or timing a perfect rift drop to catch opponents off guard. You'll see, a little travel secret goes a long way toward your victory royale. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.